welcome back to the channel. Ralph Hookham here. Today we woke up, gloomy Friday, thunderstorms, but nevertheless we are out. Beautiful Chicago River. We're gonna go ahead and try our luck with some bass. Throw the Ned rig down, see what it gets up. Stick with me. See what we hook up. Well, all right, guys, we are all back and lined up. We're ready to go. We got the Ned rig on. We got the Canadian Crawl TRD. The 8-ounce spinner gun. We're gonna go ahead and drop her in and see what we hook up. Morning. Oh. He just barely bit it. He just barely bit it. Hold on, little guy. Hey. Let me take it off for you. There we go. Oh, a little feisty fucker. We caught him. A little one. A little fish stick. That's what this is called. A little fish stick. Let's go. Go for number 2. Good morning. Well, all right, guys, we went ahead and switched it out to this little fella here. A little smaller, more of tentacles on here. Let me actually separate them. More salty as well. It's kind of mimicking a tube bait. So let's see what this hooks up. Got my glass warming up a little bit. Whoa, hooked up. We're hooked on. Oh, not even a bass. A beautiful, beautiful slab. Look at that. Oh, straight through his nostril. Oh, nevertheless, a beautiful, beautiful downtown Chicago River slab. Nice. We're gonna go out for the release, all right, guys? Glad we enjoyed this with me. Beautiful downtown slab. Well, all right, guys, that is gonna do it for me today. I end up getting 1 bass, 1 crappie off of a Ned rig right off this bridge, downtown Chicago River. Remember, guys, get off that couch so you can hook them. If you like this video, like, share, and subscribe for more fishing adventures. Remember, guys, be safe and hook them.